Hey, how's it going guys? It's Vishal here and welcome back to Half-Life. Today I'm going to be doing a full review of the Mi Band 4 which I unboxed about 3 weeks ago. You can watch it, the link is in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get into the review. I can sum up the whole review in 3 words to be honest. Value for money. Now let me explain why. First of all, it costs you only about 2300 rupees, for which you get a colored AMOLED display with thousands of customizable watch faces. You also get a heart rate sensor and many more features which I will elaborate later. Let's start by talking about what most people use their smartwatches for: time. Well, if you just bring up your hand, the watch face turns on for you to view the time, and so with thousands of customizable watch faces, each person can customize their watch face unique to them. But the action of raising your arm for the watch face to turn on can be a little inaccurate sometimes, which is frustrating. Another thing which can be irritating is that the watch doesn't stay on for long. It only stays for about 3 to 4 seconds before it turns off. But I understand why they've done this. It's to save battery. The touch can be a little buggy sometimes, for example if you're sweating and it might not sense your touch. The heart rate sensor on the other hand is accurate but takes a few seconds to give an accurate reading. But you can leave the heart rate sensor to always on through the Mi Fit app, which will drain your battery a little quicker. Now coming to its durability, I honestly give it a 10 out of 10 in this department because I dropped the watch from the first floor without the band and only the watch module, and it not only survived but came out of it with just 1 or 2 scratches. And it's also waterproof, about 50 meters, so yeah. The glass is solid and it might get scuffed if you put it through rough use, but through normal usage it will handle it just fine. The watch module is really tightly fit in the band and it gets tough to remove it while charging. It feels like you might break the watch, but nothing happens. So coming to its main feature, that is fitness tracking, the normal step counter might be a little inaccurate sometimes. That is, if you're traveling in a car, it might start counting steps, which is kinda stupid, but yeah. Other than that, it has a few preset modes which you can track, like jogging, treadmill, cycling. I mostly used this for treadmill workout and it performed just fine. It shows the duration, distance, calories and your heart rate. The strap itself is really good and it never felt uncomfortable to wear. For its other features, that is, if it's connected to your phone, you can view the weather, get notifications, get an alert when someone calls you, and finally control the music you're listening to. For all these features, you must be connected to your phone via Bluetooth. You can also lock your Mi Band when not in use, but the feature is hidden deep inside the Mi Fit app and it's really hard to find. For some reason it's inside the option Lab, which makes zero sense, but it is what it is. Coming to battery life, oh boy, I'm impressed. Xiaomi claimed that the battery will last around 20 days. I charged it completely and started using it with active use throughout the day, and at time of writing this review, I have about 55% left and I had charged it 12 days ago. So it's held up to its end of the bargain by delivering a stellar battery performance. So again, you're getting all this for 2300 rupees. Maybe there are a few issues here and there, but if you look past those things, you have yourself a solid smart band which takes a positive step towards becoming a complete smartwatch. With this, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to get subscribed and drop a like. I'll see you on the next one. This is Half-Life.